Today we will continue learning how to describe a person's personality in Chinese. Specifically, we will learn how to say I am an introvert in Chinese, which is 我是一个内向的人. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. Imagine that it's your first date with your crush. Because you are an introvert, you got anxious, nervous so easily, you sweat a lot, your voice was trembling, and your crush noticed it, and she thought you got sick, and she was very worried about you. And you explained to her by saying, "No, I'm okay. I'm just an introvert." In Chinese, we say, 我是一个内向的人. The English name at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily from left to right. It is 我是一个内向的人. And here, 内向的, it means shy or introverted. And for the rest of it, like 我, we have learned it in many episodes, which is, it means I or we, right? And 人, it means people or person. We have learned it in the previous episode. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.